Now coming to balloon versus self-expanding. What is balloon stent and what is a self-expanding stent? Here you have an atheroma. You place the graft. Now the device is delivering the stent. You inflate the stent. Now balloon is used to inflate the stent, and once the stent is inflated, the balloon is withdrawn and the stent stays in the place. This is balloon expanding stent. Now what is self-expanding? Okay, you have the atheroma here. Again, the sheath and the stent goes across the pathology. This is called the crimp stent. As you withdraw the catheter, the stent self-expands. Okay, the crimp stent comes down and stays. There is no need of balloon to expand the stent. So that is the difference between balloon and self-expanding stent. So you have a standard stent. This is the aortic aneurysm pathology. You place a stent little bit proximal and distal to the aneurysm. So the stent is extending little bit proximal, little bit distal, and a standard graft is placed across the pathology. And fenestration, here you have fenestration to take care of the branch vessels. Here you can see the fenestrated graft for the renal artery, celiac and the mesenteric one. Next is branch stent graft. Here you can see the branches to take care of the branch which comes off the aorta. This is the iliac branch stent grafting. Here you can see the iliac branch stent grafting. So you have fenestrated graft as well as branch stent graft. Now coming to chimney graft. Chimney is nothing but the deployment of stent into the supraaortic branches with the proximal part placed parallel to the main thoracic. So another stent which is placed parallel to the main thoracic endoprocesses between the stent and the aortic valve, and it extends above to ensure the perfusion. Here you can see a chimney graft placed on the left common carotid artery. This graft is placed between the main graft and the aortic valve. So it maintains the supply to the left common carotid. And here you can see the chimney graft placed into the bilateral renal arteries.